Hello children, now we are going to see how to find out the value of hidden goodwill. This is the chapter 5, admission of a partner, hidden goodwill, how to calculate the value of hidden goodwill. So let's understand this one with the help of a question. So this is the question, two partners are there, partner A and partner B. Their capitals are, for partner A it is 60,000 and partner B 1,20,000. Now they are going to admit a new partner to the firm, that is partner C, and partner C's share of profit is 1/4 the share of profit. Okay, and for this 1/4 the share of profit, C is bringing capital as 70,000. Calculate the value of goodwill and pass necessary journal entries. This is the question. Okay, so what all information is given in the question? Two partners are there, their capital is given, they are going to admit a new partner, partner C. Partner C's profit share is 1/4, and for this 1/4 the share of profit, C is bringing 70,000 as capital. You are asked to find out the amount of goodwill. Okay, about goodwill nothing is mentioned in the question, but you should find out the amount of goodwill. Let's see how to solve this one. So for 1/4 the share of profit, C is bringing 70,000 rupees as capital. So total capital of firm based on C's share of profit. So that is the first step. Based on C's profit. For 1/4 the share of profit, C is bringing 70,000. So the total capital of the firm would be a reciprocal of C's capital. So C's profit. So that would be, okay, reciprocal of C's share of profit into 4/1. That comes 2,80,000. Okay, so for 1/4 the share of profit, C is bringing 70,000. Okay, then how much would be the total capital? Reciprocal of C's share, 70,000 into 4/1, 2,80,000. Capital should be there for all the three partners as per C's share of profit. Now we are going to find out the total profit of A, B and C. It should be equal to 2,80,000. Okay, let's see whether it is equal. Capital of A, capital of B and capital of C. Capital of A it is 60,000, B 1,20,000 and C 70,000. That is 2,50,000. Okay. See, based on C's share of profit, total capital of the firm would be 2,80,000. But when we are calculating the capital of A plus B plus C, that is coming as 2,50,000 only. Okay, so that extra 30,000, 2,80,000 minus 2,30,000, sorry, 2,50,000. That is 30,000. That is hidden goodwill. Okay. That is the value of goodwill. Now, C is admitted for 1/4 the share of profit. Now we got total value of goodwill. Total firm's goodwill is 30,000. Now we need to find out C's share of goodwill. C's share of goodwill is 30,000 into 1/4, that comes 7,500. 7,500 is C's share of goodwill. Now we need to pass the adjusting journal entry also, is it? So A, B, two partners were there. C admitted for 1/4 the share of profit. About their all the profit sharing ratio, nothing is mentioned in the question. So we should assume it as 1:1. Okay, so this is the all the profit sharing ratio. Now they admit C for 1/4 the share of profit. So if this is the case, sacrificing ratio will be the all the profit sharing ratio, is it? So sacrificing ratio is 1:1. So now I am going to pass the journal entry. So what is the journal entry for passing goodwill? Gaining partners capital account debtor to sacrificing partners capital account. So who's gaining here? C is gaining here. So C's capital account debtor to A's capital account to B's capital account. What is the amount of goodwill of C? C's goodwill is 7,500. Is it? So 7,500 come here, and I am going to distribute in the ratio 1:1. That is the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So that will be 3,750. 3,750. Okay. This is the format of journal. Particulars. Debit, credit. Okay, being goodwill adjustment. Being goodwill adjustment. Okay. So what all things I have done in this question? I will summarize the question once again. A and B, two partners were there. They are all the profit sharing ratio. It's not mentioned in the question, but we should assume it as 1:1. Now they are going to admit C into partnership for 1/4 share of profit, and all the three partners give a profit. Capital is given in the question. Okay, so 1/4 share of profit. C is bringing 70,000. So total capital of the firm would be reciprocal of C's share of profit. That is 70,000 into 4 divided by 1. Okay, so that comes 2,80,000. Okay, that is the first step. Second step, you have to add the capital of all the three partners. Okay, partner A plus B plus C, that comes only 2,50,000. So 2,80,000 minus 2,50,000, that is 30,000. That is the goodwill of the firm. That is the total goodwill of the firm. From this total goodwill, we need to find out C's share of goodwill. That is 30,000 into 1/4, 7,500. Okay. Now I need to pass the journal entry. What is the journal entry to adjust goodwill? Gaining partners capital account debtor to sacrificing partners capital account. Here who's gaining? Partner C is gaining. Is it? He is going to get a share of profit from A and B. And A and B is going to sacrifice. Okay. So all the profit sharing ratio 1:1. New ratio 1/4. Nothing else is given in the question, so we should assume the old profit sharing ratio as the sacrificing ratio. So in this ratio, I am going to distribute goodwill. Okay, so C's capital account debtor to A's capital to B's capital. 7,500 debit side, I am going to distribute it equally. So 3,750 each for partner A and partner C. Okay, I hope it is clear.